I just wanted to send you a quick video on how to do the Desmos Online Graphing Calculator. First of all, you're going to go to Desmos Online Graphing Calculator. This is free. You can create your own account. There's a login. Typically, there's a login and a sign up here. I am already signed in. You can just do a sign up with your Google account. By the way, it's completely free, so it might be a good idea for you to do it. Now, if you see this blinking cursor, that is where you're going to put in your function for you to graph. So, for example, let's say my function is y equals 4x, and then I hit enter, and then there is the graph. If I wanted to do another one, I could just hit enter, and then let's say I have y equals negative 2x minus 4, and then there's another one. Notice how they're putting them in different colors. You can stack a bunch of functions if you want, and then you can also, if you need to do a fraction, be careful, you have to put in your parentheses. So for example, if my equation is y equals 3x divided by, and see how they put the division sign there? Let's say it's 3x divided by 4, there's your new one. So you need to be just very careful when you put in these to make sure that you're doing the functions correctly and you're putting it in the way you want to. If you want to, you can always save them, and you can title it, let's say this was just example, and save it, and then luckily it's going to be saved in my account. So I hope that helps.